All right. Hello, everyone. I'm sure that in introducing this assignment, we've already talked plenty about why we're opting out of Schoology and moving towards just a Google Drive and Google Docs based platform. So I'll spare you those details. Let's go ahead and dive right in. This is going to walk you through the process for creating, copying, and turning in Google Docs. Please note that it'll be a totally different process for any type of application-based assignment. So all of our Adobe Illustrator, AutoCAD, Fusion, things like that, there will be an entirely different process for turning in those assignments. So stay tuned for that video, a separate video regarding all that. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to create a shared folder, make a copy of a document, rename it, organize it, turn it in. Okay. So let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing we're going to do is go over to my Drive, Google Drive. That is drive.google.com. My bet is that when you go to drive.google.com, this is chaos. Schoology does not do a very good job of organizing everything. And we're going to do our best to just kind of keep our corner of Google Drive organized and then politely ignore the rest. If you want to keep it organized like me, good for you. But that would be on your own accord, your own sanity, I suppose. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to New, and we're going to select a new folder, and we're going to call this DFAB. That sounds right. All right. Within that, let's make 3 more. Let's go 10th, 11th, and 12th. If you guys want to go back and reorganize everything, you may. If you're just getting started, definitely make it 10th, 11th, and 12th. If you're junior or senior watching this, like I said, if you want to go back and organize, you can. If you just want to start with your current class grade level, that's up to you. Okay, so we got this folder here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to share this with me. That's lriley@guhsd.net. Let's see if I can share it with myself. lriley@gmail. I don't know who that is. So I'm sharing this with myself right now. So you're going to share that. Again, that is lriley@guhsd.net. And here's the most important thing, the absolute most important thing you can do in this process right now is deselect this. I do not need you guys blowing up my email. So deselect that and then copy this link and hit share. I'm not gonna share it myself, but you definitely want to do that. Hit share. Once again, copy link and hit share. Okay, let's get off of that. Okay, now while we have that link copied, we're going to dive right over to the website. You probably have this website hopefully already bookmarked, or at least you've seen it. And you've got your classes listed over here: 10th grade, drafting and design, green and urban tech, manufacturing and prototyping for the seniors. Now you can see that under each of these drop downs, there is a work submission link. Okay, so we're going to click on that. Definitely make sure that you are in the right class. We're going to record our email. Okay, get to the next page. And it says right here, URL to your shared Google Drive folder. That's what we just copied. We're going to hit Control V for paste and turn it in. Okay, great. Okay, we're going to come back to this. I'm going to close this tab for right now. We're going to come back to that later, okay? All right, so now we're on to this Google Doc, okay? So what we're going to do, let's pretend like this is our first assignment. It's a discovery doc of some sort, and we're going to do some basic research, things like that. I'm going to come right up here to File and make a copy. I'm going to get rid of the copy of. If I wanted to be super proactive, I could put my last name right here just in case. Okay, we're going to change our locations. So right there you can see I clicked on that folder. I'm going to select this 10th grade folder. It's kind of the things that you worked with most recently. If you don't see that, just double click on my drive and just start chasing those folders down until you find out where it is. I'm going to go DFAB, select that. Okay, so now I know where it's going and make a copy. Okay, this is the master document here, so I'm going to close that tab. I've got this this document here, so we created our shared folder. We're going to check that off. We made a copy of this document. We're going to do that. Oh, we renamed it and organized it already, so good. If you ever forget to organize it or anything like that, you can just simply click up here to rename it. And you can also click this move icon right here to change its location. Okay, so we got all that done. The last thing we need to do, just for practice, okay, let's pretend like we're working on this. Okay, we're gonna add that. The last thing we need to do is copy and paste this link into the correct field. So it's time for me to turn this in. So I'm gonna hit share. I'm gonna copy link. You don't have to change anything else on this. There's nothing else you need to do. You don't need to add me as an editor. You don't need to share it with me. Nothing of the sort. Just hit copy link. Okay, we're going to come right back over here. We're going to go to our work submission tab. And it said you've already responded. Okay, select edit your response to submit additional assignments. Okay, so just go ahead and hit edit your response. All of our work is saved, quote unquote work. Our information is saved. Here's my next assignment. I'm going to paste, submit, and you're done. A cool note about this, I see the live document, so you can turn it in and then continue editing. Don't think you're cheating due dates or anything like that. Just turn in your links and I'll always be able to see your live work as you get it done and as I grade it. So that's the process that we're going to be using for this class. I think in the long run, you're really going to appreciate it. I know it makes my life a lot easier. This is how I used to do it before Schoology came along, and you just got to trust me on this, okay? Again, this is only for Google Docs. We'll have separate assignment submissions for other types, other file types, and we'll follow up on that soon. Thanks for watching, and take care.